In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook Marketplace to fill your properties. By the end, you'll know how to create a clear, trustworthy rental listing that reaches local renters quickly and efficiently. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that location services are enabled, since Marketplace uses your general area to show your listing to nearby renters. If you haven't updated the app in a while, doing that first can help the menus look the same as what you see here. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and tap the three lines to open the main menu. On some devices, this menu can shift, but in most cases, it's at the top right. From the menu, tap Marketplace. This is where local buy, sell, sell, and rental activity happens, and it's where your listing will live. Inside Marketplace, tap Selling. This takes you to your listings hub where you can manage anything you've posted. Now tap Create Listing. You'll see several categories. Choose Housing for Rent so Facebook surfaces the right fields for a rental and shows your post to renters instead of general shoppers. Before you fill in details, tap to upload photos. Choose bright, well-lit images that are horizontal when possible. Include a clear exterior shot, living area, kitchen, bathrooms, bedrooms, and any standout amenities like parking, in-unit laundry, or outdoor space. Avoid heavy filters or collages. Honest, high-quality photos build trust and reduce back-and-forth questions. Now enter the property details. Add a concise title, set the monthly rent, and include the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Enter the address or a nearby intersection if you prefer privacy, plus the move-in date and lease term. Be specific about what's included, utilities, internet, parking, and note your pet policy, deposit or fees, and any application criteria. In the description, highlight benefits renters care about, like proximity to transit, recent upgrades, natural light, storage, or a private yard. Keep it accurate and friendly, and avoid any discriminatory language to stay compliant with fair housing rules. When everything looks good, tap Next in the upper right and follow the on-screen prompts until your listing is published. You may see a preview. Use it to double-check price, location, and photos. Make sure Messenger is enabled so prospects can contact you and confirm your contact preferences. Once live, respond quickly to messages, save time with short, polite, canned replies, and schedule viewings in batches. Never collect application fees or deposits within Marketplace chat. Use a trusted process. Keep the listing updated, mark it as pending when appropriate, and renew it periodically to stay visible. That's it. Your rental is now set up to attract qualified renters on Facebook Marketplace.